Hello, welcome to Sharebook's YouTube channel. I'm Carlos Pedrosa. I'm here with Pablo. So now, what we are talking about is, did you know that you can automate your Excel scripts? So it can help you to save your time. Here's a simple example of how to create a script. Okay, so then we will be on our practice. As you can see on the Excel, we have the tab of automate. We can click on there. So as well, you can click on record actions. Then you can select your table that doesn't have the format that you need to see. Then you can insert the table there. And as well as this, you have the script. So you can see that script on your OneDrive. Stopping that script and editing its name. Excel formatting. So it's saved and you can access to that script on your OneDrive. So you can repeat your script as many times as you need. And that's it.